BJP-led NDA has fallen 2 members short of the majority mark of 113 in the Rajya Sabha after 4 nominated BJP Member of Parliaments concluded their terms recently. BJP's tally fell to 86, taking the NDA tally down to 101 against the current strength of 225 in Upper House. Rakesh Sinha, Ram Shakal, Sonal Mangsingh and Mahesh Jethmalani have exited the House. Assam Chief Minister and BJP leader Himanta Biswa Sarma expressed deep concerns about the state demographic changes, noting a significant rise in the Muslim population. The changing demography is a critical issue for me, Sarma stated. In Assam, the Muslim population has surged to 40% today, up from 12% in 1951. We have lost control of many districts. This isn't just a political matter for me, it's a matter of life and death. The CPI-M has approached the High Court of Tripura seeking an order for the State Election Commission to address its grievances over alleged violence during the nomination filing process for the upcoming rural polls on August 8, a party leader said. CPI-M leader and Left Front convener Narayan Kaur stated during a press conference that the party took this step after a delegation met with the State Election Commissioner earlier in the day to report incidents of violence in the nomination process. A major tragedy was narrowly averted today in Bogaigaon district, Assam due to prompt actions by railway personnel. A minor fire broke out in the Gandhidham Express near Majgaon, believed to have originated from the train's brake due to a technical malfunction. Railway workers quickly intervened, preventing the fire from escalating. Officials are investigating the cause of the malfunction. No injuries or casualties were reported. After taking oath as Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister, Pema Khandu became the longest-serving Chief Minister of the Northeast after Assam Tarun Gogoi. Khandu assumed office as a Chief Minister of the state on July 17, 2016 and has retained the position since completing 8 years. Tarun Gogoi, on the other hand, served as the Chief Minister of Assam from 2001 to 2016. Gogoi was a leader in the Indian National Congress. Bangladesh said it is shutting down universities indefinitely after at least 6 people died in ongoing protests. Protests erupted in opposition to 30% government job quota for descendants of those who fought in 1971 War of Independence. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina called those opposing the reservation Razakar, a term used for those who allegedly collaborated with Pakistani army during war. This after Argentina Copa America 2024 win, Messi's Major League Soccer club Inter Miami has provided an injury update. After medical evaluation, it has been determined that Leo Messi has suffered a ligament injury in his right ankle. The captain's availability will be determined by periodic assessment and the progress of his recovery, the club stated in an official release.